Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Now we'll discuss another topic from similar triangles, that is converse of BPT theorem. You know, I gave the basic proportionality theorem proof in the previous videos. You can check. Now I'm explaining the converse of BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. So it's very important in the chapter similar triangles. Concentrate on. So first of all, I am going to write the statement of the converse of BPT. So if a line divide two sides in the same ratio, two sides of what? Two sides of triangle in the same ratio, then the line is called parallel to third side. So this is the converse of BPT theorem. First of all, what is the BPT theorem? First you need to know. What is that? If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then the line divides the other two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. If you want to convert into converse, hypothesis becomes proof. So it is convert into reverse case. So we can say that what is the actually BPT once again? If a line is parallel, then it is divided in the same ratio. What is the reverse of this one? If a line divides in the same ratio, then the line is called as a parallel. In the previous BPT theorem, we took the line is parallel to third side. We proved the line is divided in the same ratio. Now here the line is not parallel. The line is divided in the same ratio. Now we are going to show that that line is clearly parallel to the third side. Clear? So I am going to start a proof. Proof start చేస్తున్నాను చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా. So first of all, before that I am going to draw the diagram. So depending on the diagram, the line is not parallel. Concentrate on that. Okay, whatever the letters. So suppose if this is a line divides into same ratio, that is D and E. So it is not a parallel line, that is only given as a same ratio. So first of all, you need to write the given statement. What is the given? It's a small, very small theorem. What is given? So in triangle ABC, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is the meaning of a line divide the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. So L is a line. L is a line. It is clearly it is a touch at 2 points of a triangle at D and E, intersect at D and E. Then automatically the two sides of a triangle are divided into 2 to 4 parts. So that is the ratio we can take. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC is the meaning of given information. So what we want to show, RTP required to prove, is we need to show the line parallel to BC. That line L is parallel to BC, or we can say that DE is parallel to BC. DE is we can also say that DE, the line DE clearly is parallel to BC. Okay, now come to about the proof. So proof very easy. We are going to prove by the indirect method. So we already proved so many theorems by indirect proof, like show that root 2 is irrational. What is the proof we discussed in that? We are taking a indirect proof. Yes, what I took here, show that if root 2 is irrational, we are taking that, let us assume root 2 is not an irrational. Same here, we are going to take the indirect proof. So what we want to show here, L is parallel to BC. So you should take as a L is not parallel to BC. So let assume that DE is not parallel to BC. So clearly, if any line BC, compulsory there is a line which is parallel to BC. Suppose this BC is not parallel to this line, compulsory there is another line which is parallel to BC. So I am taking from D this point, I am taking another line like this which is parallel to E dash. Clear, remember that is Euclid axiom very well, we know very well. If there is a line, there is a point on a line, from this point compulsory there is a line which is parallel to this, that is only one line. From this point there are so many lines can pass. From one point so many lines, infinite line can pass. Out of infinite lines only one line is parallel to this given line. That is the proof we are using here. Same way BC is a line, actually DE is parallel to BC we want to show. We are taking DE is not parallel. So from the point D there is a line, there are so many lines from D, there is a line DE also one of the line, but it is anyway it is not parallel. So from the D point there is another line which is parallel to BC we should take. So the next step is, let us assume D is not parallel to BC, then DE dash is parallel to BC. So I am taking another point E dash which is on side AC and passes through the point D. So automatically DE dash I am taking as a parallel to BC. If the DE dash is parallel to BC, by BPT theorem what can you say? By BPT, what is the BPT clearly mentioned that if a line parallel to the one of the side, then it is divided in the same ratio. So if it is just to forget this E point, so first of all see about the line. So by looking is not parallel, but think we are taking here it is a parallel. So with the help of parallel lines property by BPT we are going to say that AD by DB, BPT theorem, AD by DB is equal to AE dash by E dash C. Yes, but what is the given statement we have here? See that AD by DB is equal to, but the given statement is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So just now we got AD by DB is equal to AE dash by E dash C, but we have already in the given AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. This is the contradiction for the given statement. But what is the contradiction? E is a different point, E is a different point and E dash is a different point. How can you say that both are equal? Yes or no? Clearly we see that E and E dash are different points. So that's why these are never be equal. This is our assumption. This is the contrary to our assumption. Why you are taking this type of contrary? Because of we took some wrong statement. Now one more information, why when these two are equal. When these two are equal means that E and E dash must be equal, then they are equal. So we can say that this is the contrary to our assumption. So what can you say? Hence we can say that DE is parallel to BC. Simply is the proof by contradiction, is nothing but an indirect proof we are going to say, is a very important this. Okay children, if you like my video please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you children.